Today, for the topic of discussion is let's go. Let's build a personal image to text pipeline on all of the available universal languages. So first, we have to select Python 3, easyocr, Numpy, dash for the front end. No HTML, no CSS, no JavaScript. First, we have to find an appropriate package and language to choose from. In this case, I am using Python language and deep translator to translate back and forth between languages, as well as I am using text for front end. So with no further ado, let's jump into the demo. Okay, so it is opening the dash app. So I am going to the link. Okay, now I am uploading the image. Suppose I am uploaded this images. This image is present in the form of thumbnail. I am selecting the language type. Suppose I select English, then I click submit. The available languages are present in the list, present in this article. So step 2 is I have to create a dash app that text input image field as an input and output text extracted from the image. The text is additionally clean first after getting extracted from the image. So you can see in English it is translated like this. Suppose I select Hindi. You can see the translation is happening in the background. So you can see Hindi is also translated. So this is it for the demo branch. You can, after doing this, you can don't forget to integrate a single page into multi-page functionality of the dash app to see the bigger picture clearly. All of the links will be available. Thank you for the patience.